The state attorney for Orange and Osceola County is in hot water with the state after rolling out her latest policy.
Monique Worrell told local law enforcement to get an arrest warrant for a suspect before sending the case to her office. Fox 35's Matt Trezza is joining us live tonight in Orlando. So, Matt, the AG is now reviewing her office.
Yes, that's right. But we've also got some late-breaking details on this case from the state attorney's office here in Orlando, Monique Worrell's office. She says she's asking the state attorney general for permission to hire 13 new prosecutors to help fill out these backlogs of thousands of cases. State Attorney Monique Worrell has implemented a new policy requiring law enforcement to either make an arrest or issue a notice to appear in court before they submit a case to her office for prosecution.
We are asking and enthusiastically looking forward to collaborating with our law enforcement partners to build the best cases possible so that when that case comes into our office, we can get right to prosecuting it and delivering justice for the community.
The policy, which took effect this week, aims to address a backlog of more than 13,000 non-arrest cases that have been delayed because arrest cases take priority.
What this does is it delays justice for our victims. It delays justice for the community, and it's an unnecessary cog in the wheel of justice.
We've already heard agencies pushing back against this policy. The Orange County Sheriff's Office opposes the change, citing concerns over domestic violence and firearms cases. Former law enforcement officer James Copenhaver says the new policy may keep officers and deputies from investigating less serious crimes.
The morale in these agencies are going to say, well, you know what, if she doesn't care, why should I? Why should I go to the extra effort if the case is not going anywhere?
Some local attorneys have a different take. They say the state attorney's office is understaffed and prosecutors can't conduct investigations on their own.
Oftentimes it's difficult for those of us on the other side to get a lot of things done because we keep getting new prosecutors because everybody keeps getting shuffled around.
Because now you're being asked, the state attorney's office is being asked to be detectives and investigators. That's not their job.
Local attorneys say both sides are trying to hash out responsibility, almost like two baseball players trying to catch a fly ball.
Where maybe a center fielder and a left fielder both have an equal chance at catching the ball, and they both let it drop right in between them, and they're looking at each other. Hey, you should have gotten it. You should have gotten it. And that's kind of what we're dealing with here.
Former Orlando Police Chief Orlando Rolone says both sides need to find common ground.
Hopefully what they'll do is do just that, return to the table, discuss it further, and come to a conclusion as to whether they agree or disagree with the new policy moving forward. And we're waiting to hear from the state attorney's office on what kinds of cases may be excluded from this new policy. Live in downtown Orlando, Matt Trezza, Fox 35 News.
Matt, thank you.